Are you ever scared you're going to get caught up in all the hype and invest in crypto at the wrong time? Well, today I'm going to give you one tip that'll help keep you safe and keep you from buying into the hype. So the key to staying safe is to have a reason to invest, and the reason should not be hope, the reason should not be hype, the reason should not be the latest news, the reason should be some technical reason. So if I'm looking at this chart of Bitcoin, where we're at right here, let me show you two technical things I would be looking at. Number one would be a break in this trend line. This trend line has been holding up really good. It starts here, goes back up, gets really close to tapping here, taps here. I actually could have probably moved it down a little bit here, and then goes back up and taps here. The technical indicator I'm looking for is for this thing to break and close above this trend line. Now it's still being a downward cycle based on a moving average. If I scale it in above this trend line, I would probably scale in at 1/4 of my position. I'll do another video on scaling later. But nonetheless, I would have a technical reason for buying in. I'm not going to buy in because contracts, futures contracts expire tomorrow or what have you, or whatever the latest news is. I haven't even checked out YouTube or Bitcoin news today. I don't know what the hype or the news is, but I'm sure there's a lot. I'm not buying on that. I'm buying in only if this thing breaks above this trend line. So that would be my technical indicator. That would be my reason. When you're looking at a technical indicator like that, it takes the guesswork out. It takes primarily the emotion out. You don't need to be an emotional trader. You need to be a rational trader. So again, that trend line right there, break it, a good rational reason. I'm not just buying because, hey, I feel like this thing is going down enough. Sooner or later it's got to go back up. Or I'm not buying, hey, Bitcoin had a good run over here, now it's got to go back up. I'm buying because of a technical reason. Now, the other indicator I like to look to see is this 12-day EMA, exponential moving average. I would like to see it get on top of this 26-day EMA, just the opposite of what happened right here when it got below. To me, this is a negative signal. I would like to see it get on top, and then I would like to see the crypto, this Bitcoin in this particular situation, break and close above like it did right here on this day. Close above that 12 EMA, which is on top of the 26 EMA, followed up by this day right here, and this would be a good entry point. About where I'm at right here is where I would have tried to enter on that, and just ride this up and probably get stopped out right about here for a little quick profit in this situation. That's the reason you enter. It's not because I think Bitcoin's going, not because I think Bitcoin's going to replace the U.S. currency, or I think blockchain technology is the best, or whatever your reason is. It's the trendiest thing, and there's more than a dozen different reasons to invest in Bitcoin. They're all probably pretty good reasons, but only invest when you see a good technical reason. Blockchain looks as good right here in this area as it does right here. Blockchain looks as good over here when Bitcoin's at about 11,000 as it did when it was up at 18,000. So whatever the background story is to Bitcoin or blockchain or Ethereum or Ripple or whatever it is you want to trade Monero, whatever the backstory looks, that's kind of irrelevant to what the market's going to do. The market's going to react based on greed and fear, and you need to enter based on some sort of technical indicator, and the primary reason to doing that is to take the emotion out. Take the emotion out, and you increase your odds, and your safety level goes up tremendously. So I'm putting together a PDF of my complete trading system. It has taken me over 2 decades to develop this system, so you'll want to keep checking in with this channel to make sure that you can snatch up this PDF just as soon as it becomes available. I will also keep making new videos each day, so like and subscribe. Be sure to ding that bell so that you can get notified when I come out with a new video. In trading, you must train yourself to be like the lion. Most people do business and trade like a scared gazelle. Train yourself to be like the lion. Dominate your domain. Analyze, educate, and when it's time to take care of business, you take care of business. Remember, if you don't kill it, your family doesn't eat. This is Blake Storm, SniperInvestor.com.